Welcome back to the lesson. So far, we have discussed the different techniques for gathering information using online resources or tools. Now we will discuss footprinting through social engineering. That is, the art of obtaining information from people by exploiting their weaknesses. This section covers the concept as well as the techniques used to gather information through social engineering. Social engineering is a non technical process in which an attacker misleads a person into providing confidential information. In other words, the target is unaware of the fact that someone is stealing confidential information. The attacker takes advantage of the gullible nature of people and their willingness to provide confidential information. To perform social engineering, an attacker first needs to gain the information and also the confidence of an authorized user and then mislead that user into revealing confidential information. The goal of social engineering is to obtain the required confidential information and then use that information for malicious purposes such as unauthorized access to the system, identity theft, industrial espionage, network intrusion, fraud, and so on. Social engineering can be performed in many ways, such as eavesdropping, shoulder surfing, dumpster diving, impersonation, tailgating, third party authorization, piggybacking, reverse social engineering, and so on. So, starting off with eavesdropping, which is an act of secretly listening to the conversation of people over a phone or a video conferences without their consent. It also includes reading confidential messages from communication media such as instant messaging or fax transmission. It is the act of intercepting communication in any form, such as audio, video, or text, without the consent of the communicating parties. The attacker gains information by taping phone conversations or intercepting audio, video, or written communication. The next one being shoulder surfing. It is a technique whereby attackers secretly observe the target to gain critical information. In the shoulder surfing technique, an attacker stands behind the victim and secretly observes the victim activities on the computer, such as keystrokes while entering username passwords and so on. The technique is effective in gaining passwords, personal identification numbers, security codes, account numbers, and credit card information. Attackers can easily perform surfing in a crowded place as it is relatively easy to stand behind and watch the victim without his knowledge. Dumpster diving technique, also known as trashing, involves the attacker rummaging for image in garbage bins. The attacker may gain vital information such as phone bills, contact information, financial information, etc. The attacker may also gather information from ATM trash bins. The information can help the attacker to commit attacks. Now, the last one being impersonation, which is a technique whereby an attacker pretends to be legitimate or authorized person. Attackers perform impersonation attacks personally or use phones or other communication media to mislead, target, and trick them into revealing information. The attacker might impersonate a courier delivery person, janitor, businessman, client, technician, or she may pretend to be a visitor. Using this technique, an attacker gathers sensitive information by scanning terminals for passwords, searching important documents on desk, rummaging bins, and so on. The attacker may even try to overhear confidential conversations and shoulder surf to obtain sensitive information. So, here we complete our footprinting and reconnaissance topic and the module. Now, the next module will be on scanning the networks. I hope you enjoyed this module and thanks for joining with us.